Today now we have discussed average problem. Let us see the question. The average weight of a class 10 kg. Average weight of class 10 kg. A new student joins the class, and because of that the average weight is increased by 0.5 kg. If the initial number of students in the class was 15, initial number of students, how many students? 15 kg. Okay, 15 members. So 15 members. What is the weight of new student? Find out new student weight. Total 15 numbers, so average weight 15 numbers, average weight 10 kg. Okay, 10 kg. Then new student joined, 15 plus 1 student, new student joined. The average becomes 0.5 kg increases. So 16 into total 15 plus 1 16 now. Average 0.5 kg. Total 15 members, new student. Total initial numbers students 15 no, plus 1 student joined. 15 plus 1 16. 16 into 0.5 kg increases. Average increase become 0.5 kg. 16 into 0.5 8 increases the average. How much? 8 increase. Okay, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 8, 8 big 10 plus 8 18. 18 become new student weight. New student weight 18. Option C right answer.